at three important documents: the corporate policy, the procedures for reporting an incident or the threat of an incident, and the steps that you can take to protect yourself should an actual physical threat take place against you. To keep things in perspective, whether you've been with the company for 1 day, 1 year, or your entire working life, you know that the company has and will continue to make the workplace as safe as possible. In fact, almost all of us are safer at work than any other place. Yet, with the violent environment around us, it would be naive to believe that nothing could ever happen. Let's now join Doc Fisher, Medical Director for Campbell Soup Company, and 5 of Campbell Soup Company's safety managers, as they discuss the corporate policy and the procedures for reporting a suspected incident or a real threat. After that discussion, I'll be back to discuss what you can do to protect yourself.